Want more speaking gigs? You can't grow what you don't track. If you're booking speaking gigs, this is for you. Today, I'm going to be walking you through my speaker success tracker. This simple system I use to track all event details, payments, and confidently grow my speaker business without dropping the ball. Hi there, I'm DupeRAleru, and I am super excited to walk you through today's video tutorial on how to use the Speaker Success Tracker. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to hover over File, click on Make a Copy, go ahead and rename that copy and save it to your drive. Once you have your copy, you can go ahead and get started. So let me go ahead and show you some of these columns, what's included in the tracker and how to use it. When someone contacts you for a speaking engagement, you can go ahead and put that contact's first and last name here, their business name, and then where the lead came from. So was it from social media, a referral, networking event, or a speaker bureau? Then you can go ahead and place the date of the call or the date of the email. Here's one of the things that I love is the organization type. This allows you to kind of see what kind of organizations are reaching out to you. So K-12, I used to speak all the time at K-12 schools and colleges and universities. Was it an association, corporation, nonprofit organization, or a small business? Then you can go ahead and place the event title, the theme of the event. This kind of helps you plan out your speech, the date that the event is being held, and also the event location. Then moving on, you can place the speaker budget. So what is the agreed upon rate, as well as the anticipated number of attendees at the event. This dropdown can then help you organize the type of speaking engagements you are booking. So is it a keynote speech? Are you an MC at an event? Are you part of a panel? Are you a moderator or even a workshop presenter? And then the length of your talk. Also, you can include here if a slide deck is needed. I love this section because I always love using slide decks. And then is the contract signed? Also, I love this section over here because you can then attach your contract. Sometimes I like to go back and see the terms, and going through emails sometimes can be a hassle. So you can go ahead and attach the contract here. That way it's all in one place. And then if the invoice was sent for you to be paid. Here's the payment status, if it's pending, if you've already been paid, or if it's overdue, and then any notes that you may wish to notate there. Let's go ahead and look at the summary tab. So this tracker is just 2 sheets, and the summary tab pretty much totals everything up for you. So as you see here, you have the total revenue that you've made for the year speaking, the number of signed contracts, the number of pending payments, and then the number of upcoming events, which I kind of like. If you have a booked out calendar, you can kind of see how many events are upcoming for the next few months or for the year. This is a great way to kind of see where you're at, especially if you have the speaker goal. You can say, oh, I only have 2 upcoming events. Let me go ahead and submit more proposals or book more speaking engagement. And there you have it. That is the Speaker Success Tracker. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM or send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Stay tuned for the next video, and I appreciate you purchasing this tracker. If this tracker is exactly what you need, I've linked it in the description so that you can grab it and start using it today. And if you are now building systems for your business, go ahead and watch the full Google Sheets Trackers for Entrepreneurs playlist. There is a tracker for every part of your business. I'll see you in the next one.